The 2025 BMW i8 represents a bold evolution in the realm of hybrid sports cars, blending cutting-edge technology with breathtaking design and performance. As BMW pushes forward in its electrification journey, the new i8 is not just a continuation of its predecessor's legacy, but a complete reimagination of what a plug-in hybrid sports car can be. The latest model retains its futuristic appeal while integrating more advanced electrified components, greater power output, and a driving experience that aims to thrill both performance enthusiasts and eco-conscious drivers. At the heart of the 2025 BMW i8 is an enhanced plug-in hybrid system. It pairs a powerful turbocharged engine with an electric motor, delivering a combined output of around 550 horsepower. This marks a significant increase compared to the earlier generation, making the 2025 model capable of accelerating from 0 to 60 mph in under 3.8 seconds. The powertrain now offers improved efficiency, thanks to a larger battery pack and smarter energy management software, allowing drivers to experience up to 50 miles of electric-only driving on a single charge. This extended range emphasizes BMW's commitment to sustainable performance without compromising thrill. The design of the 2025 i8 is nothing short of stunning. Building on the futuristic styling of its predecessor, the new model features sharper lines, a wider stance, and an aggressive front fascia that signals its performance capabilities. The iconic butterfly doors return, providing both dramatic flair and a nod to the model's heritage. The aerodynamic design is not only visually striking, but also functionally efficient, reducing drag and improving downforce for a more stable ride at high speeds. Inside the cabin, the i8 reflects BMW's latest advancements in luxury and digital innovation. The cockpit is driver-focused with a fully digital instrument cluster, a massive infotainment display, and voice and gesture controls that respond intuitively. Sustainable materials such as recycled fibers, eco-leather, and responsibly sourced trims are used extensively, reinforcing the car's environmentally friendly ethos. Ambient lighting, high-quality finishes, and sporty accents create an atmosphere that is both luxurious and futuristic. Handling and dynamics have been refined for the 2025 model. The chassis benefits from lighter yet stronger materials, such as carbon fiber and aluminum, which enhance rigidity and reduce weight. BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system is standard, offering improved grip and agility in various driving conditions. Adaptive suspension and active aerodynamics adjust in real time based on driving style and road conditions, ensuring a ride that is both composed and exhilarating. The 2025 i8 also incorporates the latest in connectivity and driver assistance technology. BMW's iDrive 9 interface supports over-the-air updates, 5G connectivity, and an AI-based personal assistant. Advanced driver aids include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a semi-autonomous driving mode for highway travel. These features combine to deliver a smart, safe, and connected driving experience. In an automotive landscape increasingly shaped by electrification and sustainability, the 2025 BMW i8 stands out as a symbol of progress and performance. It successfully bridges the gap between high-end sports car thrills and eco-conscious engineering. With its aggressive styling, improved electric range, and refined dynamics, the new i8 is more than just a hybrid. It is a glimpse into the future of driving, engineered with passion and purpose.